One of the little jobs in the garden that we often forget about is writing down what you do. When I came up with the 3-year Gardener's Gratitude Journal, it was because I wasn't keeping track in any one place. I was putting it on the calendar or writing it in a little scrapbook, but these things were all getting lost. So I thought, why not combine it all in one place? Because at the end of the day, you're going to want to write down when you deadheaded those roses. You're going to want to make a note of it when you pick those peas. The first peas are always the best. Why not write it down? You're going to want to write down the zucchinis or the cucumbers or any of the plants that come early. It seems to be more important to be early than anything else. And that's why I love the stickers in the book. It helps you mark those special occasions. So when you're fertilizing, when you're watering, when you're picking those garlic scapes, write it down and keep track of it. Remember, even though I wrote this book with my daughter, Chelsea Anderson, it's actually your journal. It's your chance to write down what you are doing and to keep track of it. Good luck and have fun.